SAP Mobile Solutions helps us do business on the go.
Mobility has definitely made us far more agile.
The tab is very useful thing, and it not only save time, it also makes to do my work with lot of pleasure.
Asian Paints is India's largest paint company. We're now a $1.7 billion company, and we are also the 10th largest company in the world. And we actually sell our customers paints which they use in their homes, and we also have a setup which supplies industrial paints and automobile paints and so on. We have about 5,000 employees in India, and we have about 30,000 shops around the country.
Asian Paints has a vision, intends to be in the top 5 paint manufacturing companies in the world, and I guess we are very close there. In order to get to this vision, we would need to be innovative.
We have about 1,700 people on the field, and a lot of information keeps flowing back and forth. I mean, we offer about 200 products, and we have a large range of SKUs. So having this data available to our people on the field so that they're able to make better decisions is something which becomes very critical for us. That's where the mobility solution comes in.
We have been customers of SAP ERP for our transaction systems. When the time came for putting in a mobile ERP, SAP was a natural choice, largely because it had a very comprehensive suite. It had Sybase's unwired platform, which allowed us to abstract the complex backend information. It had security in the form of Afaria, and it also had a gateway component which allows us to consume SAP information from the social media. So these three put together made it a very compelling value proposition.
So we actually settled on a 7-inch device which they can hold in one hand and keep working on it with the other hand. We found that Android is a good platform. It has a lot of scalability.
What we need for a day-to-day basis, it is all available in the application. That is, one thing is that sales figure, the other thing is that collection, then entering the DVR and entering the dealer health card. That is dealer related issues. Actually earlier I used to give a more time for accessing the information from the office. Now everything related to the company I can able to access in just one click. I can use my time with the dealer for business development activities.
Earlier we were spending time on checking out the things on the papers. Now it is through SAP. It's fast enough to do the things. We get accurate information and we save a lot of time.
I think that's going to directly have an impact in terms of our productivity, our sales, our performance overall in the market. So my expectation from this mobile device is to get a feel of what's happening on a day-to-day basis, a quality of escalation of issues if there are any, and because I think our response to market will actually be much better.
The organization has seen the success of the first app, and they're wanting more now. We've also planned a host of applications for our customers wherein making decisions like color selection, checking out dealers is going to be through mobile apps. So there's a huge pipeline.
In the past, we have been successful because of SAP, and I think moving ahead, SAP is going to play an important role in ensuring that we get real-time data for our customers, for our business, helping our customers help them serve us better.
SAP helps
Asian Paints
Run better.